lalelani lani nazinja zala eSouth Africa lokhu yiseka amashangane la. Uma ukuthi niyabona ukuthi anikuthanda ukuhamba kwamashangane, hambani nawo. Nekulokhu nisidakelwa nina la. Yini inkinga yenu ngempela? Yini lenifuna kangaka emashanganeni? Hayi, onengane neshangane kumele kwenze kanjani? Hamba nalo ishangane lakho enja. Walona lelo shangane lelo lizokhulalela nezingane kaba. Lizokhulalela nezingane kaba. Amashangane asevalele tolo kwakuthi fusek uzovula umuntu omnyama wala eSouth Africa. Uhlaleleni futhi wena ungasivule esakhe isitolo ngoba nawo wala. Uhlaleleni ukukhulumela amashangane la. Angazi ukusidakelwa nini. Sithi siyahamba sifuna imisebenzi, asiyitholi imisebenzi ufike emafamily kunuka ikhwapha lapha kugcwele amashangane. Yini inkinga yenu lokunisekana nalezi zinto lezi? Hamba nalo ishangane lakho elokhuza. Uma ukuthi nje uyabona ukuthi kurong ukuxoshwa kwamashangane, lokhu nithuko ngizwe nophakela umthakathi, niyabadakelwa. Kwanathi thina esihlala la eSouth Africa singafuna amashangane, niyasidakelwa. Umuntu akahambe neshangane lakhe. Uma ukuthi nje akakuzwa kahle lokho, kade indaba yeshangane la. Qede nithathe no Ramaphosa futhi leli ikware inkunzi malanga yakwarekwere ngani ukuthi kwakuphi. Kodwa khona kuyikwarekwere lokhu ku Ramaphosa. Uhambe nakho la. Ukuphatha omunye umuntu omusha manje. Ake naxosha uZuma lani lokunithi uZuma unjani? uZuma unjani? Uright manje ngoba sekuphelele lenquzumela ekhaya le. Yenza kahle. Baso
30 June umnqamlajuqu 30 June umnqamlajuqu wokuhamba kwa wonke umuntu okufika la eSouth Africa ongahambanga sesiyoqala phansi ke sixoxe ukuthi kuyoxoxwa kanjani.
Sanibona nonke eThekwini, sanibongelela. Sibonge kakhulu kade sinabo izolo kwimarch besinayo eThekwini. Very successful march. Sayongena la kuthiwa ngenwa khona. Sibonga kakhulu umphakathi waseThekwini nalade besivakashele ke besuke endaweni amanye ama-province angaphandle. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokubambisana. But into esiphathe kabi izolo ile yamaphoyisa yokuthi amaphoyisa asitshela ukuthi khona la ngese siye khona. Ngoba bethi bebalekela ukuthi kuzosuke kube nodlame masiya khona. Hayi sabatshela abafethu ukuthi ngeke akekho la ukuthi asikhona. Njoba nesibonile nje sikulela bhilidi esigcinele kuona ePoint. Ilade kuthiwa sikhona. Kanti la sifike sawathola khona ama drugs. La kuthiwa singayi khona, ila sifike sawathola khona ama drugs ngoba sesiye ngenkani. Safika lapha na sawathola ama drugs kwazi kwaboshwa nama drug dealers. Amaphoyisa iwona avikela ama drug dealers asePoint. Ngokuthi azasitshele nje ukuthi singayi lapha ngoba bezama ukuvikela bona bonke abangani babo laba abadayisa ama drugs ePoint ukuthi singayi kuyobavendulula. Ngebhadi nangeshwa ke thina souzulu. Angeke usitshele singayi kubukhona ezweni lethu. Saya ngenkani. Safika sabakhipha lapha baboshwa kwakhishwa lama drugs abanye bese bewaphosa ngamawindi. Ngoba sebebona ukuthi sesilisarandile ibhilidi abasakwazi ukubaleka babothe ngcono mawaphose ngamawindi ama drugs abo. Siwathulile kamaningi. Sabathola futhi nabanye babo. Bafowethu umhla ka-30 June umnqamlajuqu ukuthi wonke abantu abangaphandle fase sebesibambile eSouth Africa. Wena ke kodwa ke onesitolo onecontainer orentisa kuyona ama foreigners. Ngomhla ka-30 sicela ama foreigners akhe bengasekho endaweni yakho. Sicela nje ukusonda nje i-strong message to those abarentisa ama containers nasemzini yabo to ama foreigners. Kuyokusiza ukuthi le message usheshe uyizwe nokuthi futhi usheshe uact kuyona ngoba ngomhla ka-30 June lento esilosithi peaceful march iyobe siphelile. Sicela ukuthi bonke labantu enibagodlile endlini zenu nasemakhonteneni nibakhiphe abadayise istock abanaso baphume bahambe ezweni lethu. We have asked government to revoke wonke ama license nama permits anikezwe ama foreigners. They might not i-permit efanele foreigner ukuthi lenze nesitolo eSouth Africa because according to i-constitution yethu nomthetho uthi they are not allowed to own itolo emazweni ethu because if you're going to own a business in South Africa you must have 5 million of investment ofanele uyiqala before you can even own a business in South Africa. njengoba bewomangcola nje benje bathatha 5 million, njengoba bengenawo amaphepha nje undocumented bawuthatha 5 million. So please bafethu siyanicela, if you are renting a space to ama-foreigners, sicela ubutshela ukuthi ama-foreigners akho lawo awabe pack into zabo aphuma phela, ngoba into ezokwenzeka if wena ungabaxoshi kwafika umhla 30 June bese khona wena nathi kuba khona la ngathi asizwani khona mina nani, ngoba amakhamera lana nowabona sihamba nawo kuma-march and march kusuke kwenziwe ngey'bomu ukuze kubonakala lento esisayenziwa manje sayi-peaceful. After umhla 30 June amakhamera azobe singasekho, kuzobe sekuyithina nani ngaphandle kwamakhamera sizowacisha. And once sayicisha le camera sesifike kwakho ungasibuza ukuthi amakhamera acishe lini, kodwa khona sizowacisha. Sikutshela kusemanje, if you are renting a premises to ama-foreigners, wakhiphe kusa-early nje ukuze umuzi wakho icontainer yakho ibe safe. Ngeke ngikutshela uzokwenzekalani kukona, kodwa nje ibukuqala ubakhipha ukuze bahambe eSouth Africa, ngoba abantu ababanga ukuthi labantu bande inina enibarentise ey'pesini zenu enisase-South Africa. Nihlale nawo government wethu lo ANC no-FF abathi labantu abahlala ezweni lethu. Khiphani labo bantu sakuhle ukuze thina nani sikwazi ukusebenzisana mase behambile. Bakhona abantu esizotholela bona abazoqasha babe nezitolo. Ayikho lento ethiwa thina abantu Afrika ngasikwazi ukuvula itolo. Sizoyivula, soyithatha zonke lezi tolo lezi and sizowarana ama-business successfully. Ask yourself one question. Before 1994, ama-foreigners ayengekho because of the justice system ayikho in South Africa, or you may call it an apartheid. Ayengekho ama-foreigners. They were not doing all this nonsense abayenzayo. Then after ANC took over, ama-Korekale started flocking into South Africa. Now they are everywhere because the justice system is better in South Africa. Thina-ke sizoyiqondisa lo justice system. Le better justice system sizoyiqondisa lo justice system. Sizozenzela thina ngokwethu. Le nto eyenziwa amabhunu okushaya thina abantu abamnyama basikhiphele basiqondise ebusuku ukuthi basiphathe umthetho basiphathe ngawo. Ilo same justice oyisebenzisa ukuqondisa lamaKorekale ukuthi aphindele makubo. Asidlali mangabe sithi abahambe. We are not mistaken masithi abahambe. I-economy yethu thina South Africa siyakwazi ukuyiphathela. Siyakwazi nje ukuyiphathela, ayikho into esingakwazi. Sihlaniphe kabi ukuthi ngesikwazi i-economy yakuthithi. Ngoba kwazona lezi tolo abanazo la ama-foreigner obaba bathenga kuzona. Because akuthengi bona, abakuthengi obhuti babo nosisi babo. Kuthenga thina ama-South Africa kulozo itolo lezo. Okusho ukuthi nami asithiwa nginesitolo, nina futhi besifuna nothenga isitolo sami because laba bazobe sibehambile. Okusho ukuthi ayikho i-economy ezowa la. Ngisana udlala abelungu, udlala ama-politicians athi i-economy ezowa. Akho i-economy ezowa la. Ayiwanga ngani before 1994 kusane apartheid eSouth Africa. Ayekuphi ama-foreign? Ayengekho. Kodwa umnotho wakhona ukhona and wawu-right futhi. Kuwukuthi thina sacincishiwe wona lowo mnotho loyo. Kodwa wona ukhona. We are going back there. But this time kuzobe kuphethe thina. Khiphana amaKorekale emzini yenu. Sikhathele wona. Abahambe. 30 June usuku lokugcina. Mnqamla Juqu asibafunde eSouth Africa. Siyabonga.
Bafowethu, what you don't know is bigger than you. Listen, bafowethu, let's call it ispade. Singabi salokho esithi ithuluzi lokusebenza engadini. Ngoba bafowethu, uhulumeni wethu usidayisile ngenxa yokuthi yena necrew yakhe yabelungu bakhe laba abamsebenzisayo noma laba abasebenzelayo unamabhizinisi kulama country anjengo-Nigeria, nako-Ghana, nako-Zimbabwe, ngoba nakhu benamabhizinisi bona. Sebecabanga ukuthi nathi lawo mabhizinisi awethu sinama-shares kuwona. Listen, kudlaliwe ngathi eSouth Africa. Enough is enough. Brothers and sisters, you from Nigeria, you from Ghana, or from Zim, listen. Asixabani nani, we've got no issue with you. But the truth is, if you are in South Africa, you don't have a proper document, you are a criminal. Keep that into your mind. If you are in South Africa, you don't have a document, you are a criminal. Let's put that. Stop this thing. Xenophobia. There is no such thing, xenophobia. There is no such thing. called xenophobia in South Africa. If you want to say your people have been killed, give us a stats. How many people they've been killed from Nigeria in South Africa? How many people they've been killed from Ghana or from Zim in South Africa? Give us a stat. We want to know. It is not xenophobia. It is crime that you're making here in South Africa. How come you are in South Africa without document, without a permit? How come? You here for what? Doing what? Lalela, Hamba. If you don't have papers to be in South Africa, you've got a bad intention to be in South Africa. You are a criminal. Wisgebengu, umdlwembe. I listen a lot of you with your so-called videos and stuff like that. You all talking nonsense. Here in South Africa, our government has sold us to you because our government, they've got interest to run their business in South Africa. Look at this, Ghana and Nigeria. Do you know the guy called Christopher, the owner of ShopRite? Is it Nigerian have boycott ShopRite checkers in Nigeria? Then you are supposed to do that more. Even in Ghana, even in whatever it is, do that. Boycott every South African business there and close it down. We are not benefiting as benefiting. And please, you Nigerian and you Ghanaian that are in here in South Africa, pack your things and go and fight for your country. Why there are South Africans doing business there in your country? Then you coming here to sell drugs here. It's unfair. It's unfair. Akukho right. Asikufuni lokho, asikuceli ukuthi wena ula eSouth Africa udayisa ama drugs, you are killing our children with drugs. Yet you don't have even document nothing. Some of you, you left into your country, yet you have killed people, you've got case, you run and hide here in this country, but you don't have document. Listen, if you have proper document, sit down and keep quiet. There is no xenophobia in South Africa. No xenophobia. What we're dealing with is crime that you came and impose in our country and in our people. So, we people of South Africa, we will stand and fight for crime. If you are illegal immigrant in our country, listen, just pack your thing and go. It is wrong of you. It is unethical of you that you are in this country, yet you don't have a proper document. But you that have a proper document in our country, you welcome, stay, you're free, you clean. We don't have a problem with you. If you come here in South Africa, you came to hand the job, you welcome, but you must have a proper document. Have a proper documentation that allows you to be in South Africa for jobs. We don't have a problem for that. But if you don't have a proper document, please leave South Africa now. Our government, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, you are busy talking something that we don't understand. But the truth is, there is no xenophobia in South Africa. We don't have. Stop talking about xenophobia and stop talking bad about our Zulu's name. Stop talking nonsense. You're talking something that you don't know. What is too hard for you that you go into your area and fight for your area, fight for your country? Why is too hard for you to go to your country? Why is too hard? Listen, there are people that are South African that are not even staying in South Africa, but they are running businesses into your countries. One of them is Christopher, and number 2 is Kos. Number 3 is Alan Gray. Number 4 is Gofield. And Mr. Christopher is the owner of ShopRite, the biggest guy. And Mr. Kos is the owner of Multi-Choice. He's the biggest top dog. And also Mr. Alan Gray is the owner of MTN and the biggest insurance company. But you need to deal with those people and then starting your business in your area and develop the business in your area. But don't come into South Africa. Now, we are people of South Africa. We say enough is enough. And we are negotiating with you that please, if you don't have papers, please don't stay in South Africa if you don't have paper. Go into your area and sort your papers and you come back. That's what we say. That's what we ask of you nicely. But if you want war, you will find war. If you want peace, you will find peace. Now we are coming in peace. And please accept us peacefully. Don't provoke us. Don't make us stupid and say whatever and call us by names and say whatever that you like without effect and truth. If you don't have paper, please pack and go. Leave our country. We know that you are here for the bad intention. Sithi mabahambe, sithi hambani, sithi godukani. Now, here in South Africa now, this is not politician. I'm not talking politics here. Politics has failed us. Political people have failed us. If Ramaphosa is keeping for you for his bosses, not us, we are not, Ramaphosa's boss are not our boss. We are saying pack and go. We never did nothing for your own area, for your own countries. So if Ramaphosa has got all businesses all over Africa, Ghana, Congo, all over, then take it to Ramaphosa, but don't come and stay here and do all those nonsense. And if you believe that Ghana, you gave whatever in the days of Mandela and whatever, we were not there. We were not there. We did not ask Mandela whatever to do that. We don't have a proof for do that. So then now you do anything that you like just because Mandela did that. No, he was not doing it for us. He was doing it for himself. Anything that Ramaphosa and all these ANC people that they've done, they were not doing for South African people, they were doing for themselves. Now, South African people, they are saying now, pack your things and go. Then pack your things and go to your country. Go and fight for your country. Don't come and make noise in our country. And then when we say go, and then you're giving us nonsense, please, go in peace. We want you to live in peace. No xenophobia in South Africa. Only you that you're provoking us. Just go into your country. Just go into your country. Go and do your papers. If you want to go, you can come back. What you don't know is bigger than you. You don't know people of South Africa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Mlayethu uthi ngamhla ka-30 June 2026 kufanele konke ama-foreigners abe sahambile la South Africa. Kuthiwa nje mawutholakala u-foreigner after 30 June 2024 la South Africa kuyodilwa nawe accordingly, but okubamba bakuyekele because right now they are saying ukuthi it's a peaceful march kokuthi nihambeni nigodukeni nibuyele emakhaya eNigeria, Malawi, eGhana, Mozambique, hambani nibuyele emakhaya nisanesikhathi. It's a peaceful march kumanje, but bathi njena once kwandlula 30 June kwachubeka kwelela ngalesolo la South Africa tidokukhalela. And there are people who are saying ukuthi bona they are not going anywhere. Kunebantu abaningana ngosiyami lesibabona kulaphethe inkundleni yokuxhumana labasho ukuthi they are not going anywhere. Bayahlala la South Africa bafuna ukubona ukuthi nizobenzani. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.